Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block camera access in Google Chrome. Friends, in Chrome browser, if you have allowed some websites to use your laptop camera which now you want to block, then you need to open your Chrome browser. Now here you need to click on the three dots. Now here click on settings. In settings, click on privacy and security. Now here click on site settings. Now scroll it little down and here you will find option camera. Click on it. Now here you will find list of all the websites on which you have allowed camera usage of your laptop. So from the list, if you want to delete any website, then you need to click on this delete button and the permission to the website will be cancelled. So friends, like this you can very easily block camera access in Google Chrome. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.